Right, welcome back to Channel Walk on Tours. We're here in Gran Canaria. And yeah, I'm heading back to my hotel. I want to go in the pool for a little while and chill out. It's my last day. If you've been watching these in order, you know I've just had to walk down that massive stairs. Better coming down than going up, I promise you. It's a lot more easier. But yeah, you guys might as well come for the walk with me. Back to where I'm going. Back to my hotel. Let's see what I go on. You know the vibe. So, this hotel here, looks like they're doing a massive refurb on it. As you can hear, you can see him up there. But yeah, let me know what it was before. This is my, I should say, not our. Oh, okay, it's going that way. So this is my second time here. I've been one more than Sabrina. This year I've actually been on two places more than Sabrina. I went to Tenerife one more time. Back in January with my mate. Big up to you, Jay, if you see this. Oh, imagine if you're over there and that's what you can hear. You're fuming. Yeah. Let me know what that used to be. What hotel it used to be. Yeah, I couldn't imagine if you was over there and you've had a late night and you're sleeping until 1, 2 in the afternoon. God knows what time they start at that, but I know sometimes in Spain they start at 10 a.m. I stayed one place before and they started really early, like 8:30, 9 a.m. Lucky, I'm always up at about 8. 6 hours I get, 6 hours sleep. I don't really sleep much more than 6 hours. We're heading down to the Plaza, Mas Palomas. I think it's called the Plaza. Let me know in the comments if I'm incorrect. But yeah, we're going to walk down to the Plaza, and we'll do a little promenade walk, maybe on the next video. Up. Walking towards another shopping centre. Let me know if that's what you like. Do you like all the shopping centres, or do you like a Tenerife where everything's spread out along the promenade? There are shopping centres in Tenerife, but it's not. You don't go to a shopping centre to go out clubbing, do you? So it seems to be here. That's the norm. Go to the shopping centre and you have beers, there's loads of bars. I like it. It's all quite self-contained. Okay, they're doing up this one as well. So imagine being in that hotel behind, or this one. You've got all that building work going on. Must be very annoying. And across there, wind's picked up today. Weatherman said the Canary Islands are in for a bit of a change, but I looked on the weather app and it said no rain for Gran Canaria. Check it out there. So redoing that one. People living in this one, or they're staying in this one, and then you've got them doing the same over there as well. Whew. You're not going to have no relaxing holiday with all this going on. Yeah. Yes, if you're into construction, I don't think you want to go on holiday with here construction. But anyway, I'm not staying here. So, we are here at the promenade. What I'll do is I'll walk you down to the sea, have a quick look over at the beach. I'll film this little, I think it's like a portal, but it's not a portal, it's just got a picture in it. So have a quick look at it. Quickly walk around, and then we'll see what I go on, isn't it? Also, a big shout out to Anne-Marie and David Butler everyone who joined the live the other day. Vinny, JBM. Big shout out to you, JBM, mate. So, if you're coming to the beach, you want a taxi, grab one from here. Quite cool. Mojitos. Cocktail bar. One of the same people, actually. It probably is the same people, isn't it? From Mojitos up the road. And you've got Hard Rock Cafe all the way over there. But yeah, I'll show you this. There's 24 down there. Maybe it's 24 because of this wind. It's not going to be as hot. You've got a bit of breeze going on. But yeah, got a lot of people out here today, enjoying the weather. A lot of people in the sea as well. You alright? So yeah, check this out. It's just like, I don't know if you can pick it up very well. But yeah, that's brand new. You've got everyone chilling out in this little place here. Let's have a quick look over at the beach. Windy day. Oh, check them clouds out. Down to the dunes. I was going to do a beach walk, but I'll give it a miss. There's a lot of people here. This is probably the busiest I've ever seen Gran Canaria. I've only been here once before though, and it was February. We came here for 3 nights. Check the pigeons. The pigeons are so low, flying so fast. It's dangerous. But yeah. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe, yeah? And let's get this account up to 10,000. That's our next big milestone. And let us know what you want to do, for us to do to celebrate. What should we do? Where should we go? Should we go somewhere big? Should we go international? Should we go to Jamaica and find our family? That'd be a good thing to do. So I'm in contact with my dad's family, but I'm not in contact with my grandma's family. And I have to really seek them out. So yeah, let me know what we should do. The 10,000 is a big achievement. The fact that you guys helped us get to 5,000 so quickly is really good. I really appreciate it. There's €8 here for a cocktail, which is not too bad. $5 for a hat as well. Look like there's more there. I picked my son up a hat before from here. Not from Gran Canaria, I picked him up for one in Lanzarote. Was it? Might be in Tenerife, but they all look the same, if I'm honest with you. Same type of like when I was in Turkey, a lot of the hats were designer. Paella for 2 people, €31. $31.90 for 2 people with a sangria. So this one here says 27. But yeah, back into this wind. Just escape the wind there. So yeah, a lot of people stood on the beach there enjoying it. Let's take a quick walk up there. Say quick. It's never quick when you've got to walk up a hill. $8.50 for a chicken, half chicken. $8.50 for the sardines as well. And here you can get some nice sandwiches. So you need something for the plane. That should look quite cool actually. It look nice. It's that chicken. Polo chicken. Yeah. CBD shop. So, what I do is I end this one here and we start a new one up there, up on the promenade. Gonna go up there, walk along. There's another shopping centre at the end. I did it on my live, I walked along there on my live. Let's do it. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Send this video off to your friends and family who love Gran Canaria. I'll catch you on the very next one.